5 expert tips to write a resume that will get you noticed. Hi, I'm Rohit Mangain, a strategic leader and alumni of Bangalore. I'm also a career coach who helps people unleash their maximum potential. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 expert tips to write a resume that will get you noticed. These tips will help you to make the right impression on the job interviewers as well as set a strong foundation for a successful career ahead. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Tip number 1, use keywords from the job posting. When you're writing your resume, it's important to use keywords from the job posting. This will help your resume get noticed by the applicant tracking system, ATS, that most companies use to screen resumes. Tip number 2, list your skills and accomplishments. Don't just list your job duties on your resume. Instead, focus on your skills and accomplishments. What did you achieve in your previous roles? What are your strengths? Tip number 3, use active language. When you're writing your resume, use active language. This means using verbs that show action. For example, instead of saying I was responsible for managing a team of 10 people, say I managed a team of 10 people. Tip number 4, quantify your results. Whenever possible, quantify your results on your resume. This will help employers see the impact of your work. For example, instead of saying I increased sales, say I increased sales by 15%. Tip number 5, get feedback from others. Once you've finished writing your resume, get feedback from others. This could be a friend, family member, or career counselor. They can help you identify any areas that need improvement.